Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your MidJourney AI account online on your Android device. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your MidJourney AI account online on your Android device, first open up your preferred browser, as I'll be continuing with the internet browser itself. And after opening your browser, tap on the search bar and type in the address midjourney.com like this and tap on go, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of the MidJourney AI like this. You can see there are four buttons which says the join in the beta, and just below that there is the sign in button. But if you have not yet created an account on MidJourney, simply tap on get started and you'll be able to create an account on MidJourney. With that being said, let's tap on sign in and you'll be taken to the login page of the MidJourney, which is authenticated to Discord. With that being said, guys, enter your email address with which you had created an account on the MidJourney itself like this, and after entering your email, enter your password over here. But if you have forgotten your password, you can see there is the forgot your password option available. If you tap on that forgot your password button, you will be able to retrieve your password or reset it, or whichever you like it. And after entering your email address and your password, you can also create an account from over here, where there is the register button below the login button. If you tap on that register button, you'll be taken to the registration process of the MidJourney AI. With that being said, after entering your email address and your password, and tap on login, and then you'll be able to sign into your MidJourney AI from over here. And then guys, this is how you log into your MidJourney AI. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.